Hey guys, welcome to a one-day tactical trader workshop that we've got in there at the Radisson Blu in Canary Wharf. We're live trading all day, and it's so important that people who have either got no knowledge in Forex trading or those who have traded before are on this workshop trading live, getting confident with their trading personality and matching it to their trading style. So it's very important that they understand both variables and see how they can profit from the bigger picture.
And I can't believe it, I've made it to one of our events here in London, Canary Wharf, and the most important thing I learned today is the personality test and learning new things about Forex, trading myself for the first time. So overall a good experience so far.
Hi, I'm Nigel Moss. Come down for the Fortune Academy training day with Hither Mann. I came just over a year ago and did the similar sort of thing to this, but without the live trading experience. I think it's a very informative day, and it's given me what I need to hopefully move forward with Forex trading.
Let's give a couple of parting points. What would you say to these guys if they want to trade, if they're young, older, the new, whatever age, what would you say to them?
Definitely try it. Don't bother with demo, because demo isn't going to help you in any means. You'll win some, it's not really there. When you have your own money in the game, and when it hurts here, when you lose it, that's what will shape you to be the better trader.
We want you to trade big money. So Fortune Academy is providing large funds to trading students so that they can see safe trading, give decent profits, and make up to £200,000 annually in just 3 years.
And I've managed to do 6 live trades as well today, which I'm really happy about because I'm completely new to trading. You put strategies behind something, if you have a good mentor and if you have structure to what you do, then really the opportunities are endless, and I'm really excited to start my journey.
So it's an incredible offer and opportunity. I want you guys to get involved. Hopefully see you in the next one.